Hello guys, today let's talk about the lab 1. So first we need to talk about the lab 1, task 1. In this lab, you need to type your initial value, inc dic value, and do the calculation. Your calculation result will be displayed in the decrement result text box and the increment result text box. And the number of calculation will be displayed in the count text box. Also, you can swipe to result by clicking swipe button. Let's try to run this program. So let's try to type the initial value is 12 and the inc dic value is 2. If I click initialize button, so this text box will display the 12, which are the same as the initial value. If I click the increment button, it will do the calculation. So because the 12 minus 2 is equal to 10, and 12 plus 2 is equal to 14. So these are two results. If I keep clicking the increment button, it will keep calculating. And the number of the calculation will be displayed in the count text box. If I click the swipe button, I can swipe the two results. So now the decrement result is 2. The increment result is 22. If I click this, it will swipe each result. And then if I click the clear button, it will click all results as an empty value. So that's all for the program. Then let's talk about the button one by one. First of all, you need to declare decrement result, increment result, inc dic value, and count as a numerical variables, and then do the calculation. When I click the initial value and click initialize button, so I will copy the initial value into these two text boxes. If I click the increment button, I can do the calculation based on my initial value and the inc dic value, and then show the result into these two boxes. At the same time, the count text box will count the number of calculation. So you can use count is equal to count plus 1 to record the number. If I click the swipe, I can swipe the decremental result and the incremental result. Here is an example to show how to swipe the two values. So you can pause the video to review it. After that, make sure you can use the C-string, CSNG, or something else to convert between your string variable and the numerical variable. Because if you grab the value from the text box, the initial type is a string. So you need to convert into the number to do the calculation. So that's all for the lab.